AI philosophy, enabling humans to establish destiny for themselves and establish a mind for AI. AI, massive data, one-time offline learning, versus human intelligence HI sparse data, online continuous learning. Human long-term cognition and worldview act as a large model. Daily short-term thinking works as a small model for real-time processing. After a period, through reflection and insight, the small model merges and updates into the large model. Current AI only processes large models in one go, e.g., upgrades every 6 months with slow-wait updates, lacking the dynamic flexibility and creativity of humans. Click the plus icon to follow this account for more exciting content. Humans are typical lifelong and incremental learners. From birth, we continuously acquire new skills and knowledge, and keep improving through reflection and practice. Specifically, human intelligence, high, relies on the plasticity of the biological nervous system, real-time dynamic formation and breaking of neural connections, enabling online continuous learning from small amounts of data. It can quickly abstract general rules from changing and ambiguous scenarios and realize dynamic updating and cross-domain transfer of knowledge. For example, a human infant learns to walk after only a few attempts. Adults flexibly adapt to complex and changing environments, making rapid decisions and adjusting behaviors to cope with uncertainty in open situations. This learning method is online and continuous. Humans constantly adjust their cognitive models based on real-time feedback and environmental interaction, gradually improving cognition and skills through trial and error and experience accumulation. In contrast, AI usually relies on large amounts of labeled data for offline training, building static models through preset algorithms. After one centralized training session, it is deployed for use, lacking the ability for autonomous adaptation and real-time updating during actual operation. Although AI performs efficiently and accurately in structured tasks, it struggles to break through the boundaries of training data for real-time iteration and creative reasoning, often requiring full retraining to adapt to new situations. For instance, an image recognition system may need millions of labeled images to identify objects accurately. A natural language processing model requires massive text data to learn linguistic patterns and expressions. This approach allows AI to reach or surpass human levels in specific tasks, but it lacks the dynamic flexibility and creativity of human intelligence. Reflection. In a sense, your long-term cognition and worldview are your large model. Your daily short-term thinking uses small or domain-specific small models to process the latest data and knowledge in real time. After a period, these small models merge and update into the large model through your reflection and insight. In comparison, current AI only handles large models in one batch, e.g., upgrading every 6 months, resulting in slow-wait updates, unlike humans who can instantly call the latest small models with dynamically updated weights. HI and AI represent fundamentally different cognitive paths between biological and computational intelligence. The former emphasizes flexible generalization under few-shot conditions. Humans extract key features from a handful of examples to form concepts, while the latter pursues stable output driven by big data. This difference enables humans to flexibly handle complex, ambiguous, and incomplete information problems. Although AI excels at processing structured big data, it has clear limitations in few-shot learning, continuous adaptation, and environmental interaction. Its decision boundaries solidify after training, making it hard to spontaneously expand cognition through ongoing interaction like humans. Figuratively speaking, human intelligence demonstrates amazing data efficiency like a seasoned painter who grasps the rhythm of seasonal change from just a few autumn leaves, gently updating cognition amid the flow of daily life. This online learning ability lets humans detect emotional shifts from fragments of conversation over a cup of coffee, adjust steps to subtle road inclines while walking. All learning happens naturally in the continuity of life experience. AI, however, is like a giant that must devour an entire library to speak, requiring offline batch ingestion of terabytes of data for each model update. Every learning session resembles major surgery, suspending services, clearing caches, and retraining from scratch. Though capable of processing massive information, it lacks the agility and subtlety of humans who fine-tune cognition continuously in the stream of life. I am Wu Huaiyu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University and the founder of AI philosophy. For more detailed information, please refer to the complete version of this book. In addition to this short video, you can also click on my avatar to view more long videos.